So far, this video series has told you some about how to keep track of your own books, how to log things in the general journal and the general ledger, how to fill out a worksheet, how to create financial statements, and how to close. This video and the videos that follow it are going to talk some about how to do bank reconciliation, how to connect those financial statements with other statements that you might get, such as your bank statement. Here's the problem. When you do your books, you might come to the end of the month and then you'll get your bank statement, and you'd think, logically, you'd think that you'd have exactly the same amount on your bank statement as what you'd have on your books. But that is not always the case for various reasons. Sometimes the bank might make an error, or sometimes you might make an error. There are other reasons as well, though. Sometimes you might have recorded something that the bank hasn't quite gotten to record just yet, or vice versa. And so it's important to do what's called a bank reconciliation, where you'll have your bank account and you'll figure the money there, and then you'll connect it, you'll reconcile it with the bank balance. So how this works is I'm going to put the bank balance here, whatever ending balance I have on my bank account, it's going to go here. There's going to be some things I'm going to add. I'll total them up and put the total here. Some things I might deduct, and then I'm going to put the total here. And then I'll do this major column here where I do the addition. The bank balance plus stuff I need to add plus stuff I need to subtract, and then I'll come to a reconciled balance. Then I'll do the same thing for my books. I'll have whatever balance I have on my books. I'll need to add some items, put the total here, deduct some items, put the total here, and then do the major addition and subtraction in this column here. And then hopefully, if I've done everything right, I'll have a reconciled balance, which is the same for both the bank balance and the book balance. At the end of the day, I hope that those two things will work out to be the same. And then after that, I'll need to do some general journal entries. I'll need to log some things. Anything that I find here that I need to add to my books balance, I'll actually need to add that to my books balance. So I'll have to go back to my journal and do that, and then of course I'll post it to the ledger, etc. So there's a brief outline of how bank reconciliation works. In just a moment, in the next video, we'll do a problem.